Let me show you one thing. Please notify the object. So guys, be aware from this plant. Finally, I came to Hosai. This is the Hosai market. Hilala cingga.
Kena cingkam ni.
Sini dulu. Hello guys, let me show you one thing. Come. See guys, this is the area. You can find different plant here near the Tumpreng bridge. If you are traveling some forest, please notify the object. So guys, be aware from this plant. This is a poison plant. We call it Bab Kangsam. I have never seen before. So I found first time here in Tumpreng. If you touch the leaf, you will feel pain and hitching on your body. So be aware from this plant. You can find different places in KARBI ANGLONG. Please identify the plant carefully guys. I can't touch the plant. See, it's look like very beautiful, but it is a poison. Here the garden. See, all are Bab Kangsam. So guys, now I will leave from here. See. This is known as Tumpreng Park. We all know here